Hello, World History Cardinals. I'm going to walk you through your activities for October 23rd, 2020. First, you are going to take a gander at your SEL. So your SEL, your first 12 minutes, is a reflection. It says, what mechanisms will you keep in future to check your progress towards your goals? This is all based on that Kobe Bryant video that you saw in the first part of class, which would have been first block. All right. So then after you do that, then you are going to go to your homepage, okay, for world history. And then you're going to go to home, but then you're going to click on the live synchronous lessons link. If you remember, that starts off here. Then you scroll down and you go to live lessons. So you click that. And then that's going to show you that I have removed the class Google Meet because you're not having class. So what you need to do on that is read this where it says no class today. Watch the video, do Unit 4, Lesson 4 warm-up, Activity 1, Activity 2, and closure. Okay? And so that's why I am here showing you right now. So this video goes into the unit. So here is Unit 4. Scroll down until you see the date. Here's October 22nd. We skipped this lesson, and you're going to find October 23rd, homework activity number 1. You are going to write down the title of the lesson, Protestant Reformation. You are going to read the essential question. Who was Martin Luther, and what objections did he have to practices in the Catholic Church? What was the outcome of his objections? You are going to write the goal statement in your notes. I can describe, or a student will be able to describe, the objections that Martin Luther made against the church and explain how his actions inadvertently led to the creation of various Protestant denominations. You will then read the daily plan, and then you will click to link the activities. The first thing you have is a video. You will read the video and you will watch it and you'll answer the questions as you watch. So if you want to, you can go ahead and open up the preview. And as the video plays, just fill out the questions. Again, that's something that I will grade later. But once you get there and write down your answers, it's going to ask you to submit the quiz. Then once you have that done, you're going to go to next. And on this page, you have a classwork activity that basically is going to tell you some background on Martin Luther and his Protestant Reformation. The key term here is 95 Theses. So it says you will read and respond to questions regarding Martin Luther and the Protestant Reformation. This is classwork homework and will be due on October 28th at 11:59 p.m. So here is the copy. It looks like this. You are totally allowed to write on this document. You read it. You could take these words and put them in your notes for a vocabulary word list. There are 13 questions. Okay, there's 2 through 6, there's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and there's 13. After you do that, you're going to come back to the unit, and then you're going to go to next, and you're going to find an activity. Now, we're not going to do Zoom breakouts, but there's an article on this page, and the article has a quiz at the bottom, and you're going to submit your quiz results using the online tool you're choosing, which in this case is going to be a website URL, a media recording, or a file upload. Okay? The directions, read them all. Read them all because it tells you where the quiz is. Number 6 gives you the link. And then it pops up to this open link between Martin Luther and Martin Luther King of Who Said What. Now, I read this morning, but if it doesn't give you the information that you need, please understand you can click all of these other little side links. And then when you get to the bottom, it says, see if you can tell the difference between them. Take our quiz. And then the quiz will pop up and you just answer the questions and submit. And when you submit, there's going to be some type of score. And mine is like this because I didn't answer anything. But you see that score? You scored 0 correct out of a possible 10. Okay? Take a picture of that or save this screen. And then you go back to the unit. And I guess that's what they mean. Screenshot and share your score. So screenshot it and then upload the picture through website, media recording, or file upload. And then the last thing you do, boys and girls, is closure. So 321 exit ticket is summarizing what you just read on that long article in Activity 1 and a little bit of the activity in Activity 2. So you need to explain what were the 3 reasons Martin Luther wrote the 95 Theses. You need to write 2 things you found interesting about the similarities between Martin Luther and Martin Luther King Jr. And then you leave 1 question. What question do you have about the Protestant Reformation? But then it says you have to answer the question too. So you put your question there, but then you also answer it. All right, let's see. Someone's already done that part on their downtime. And same with you. You guys are free to do exact same thing. And once you are done, this page right here represents your being finished. Awesome. You guys have a great weekend. And I will see you Monday, Lord willing. All right. Bye bye.